Stop carrying 5 different charging bricks everywhere you go. If your desk or wall outlet looks like a messy nightmare, you need to see this. This is the ultimate 60W GaN superpower multiport fast charger. It delivers a massive 60-watt output that can fast charge your brand new iPhone, Samsung, or iPad to 70% in just 35 minutes. The best part? It features a 5-in-1 compact design with 3 USB-C power delivery ports and 2 USB-A ports. That means you can juice up your laptop, phone, tablet, smartwatch, and earbuds all at the same time without waiting. Thanks to the newest GaN charging circuits, it delivers unmatched full-load power while staying super compact and cool. One single block replaces your entire messy power strip. Declutter your life and get the fastest charge ever. Click the official Amazon link in the description below to grab yours today.